Good day. It's great to have you watching in KazygurtNews. Today we have two special guests from America. Hello. Can you introduce yourself?
Hi, my name is Amanda Lieberman, and I am a Fulbright English teaching assistant.
Hi, I'm Sandra Li, and I'm an English language fellow.
Okay. How long have you been in Kazakhstan?
I arrived in Kazakhstan in September.
And this is actually my second year in Kazakhstan. I lived in Қазығұрт for 10 months, and now I'm living in Semey.
Sandra and Amanda, what do you think? We heard that today you conducted a workshop for English teachers in Kazygur. What do you think about this?
Well, we had a lot of fun together. We learned about total physical response, which is a teaching methodology, and the teachers got to get up and do some activities and sing some songs, so it was a lot of fun.
Okay. How do you evaluate level of speaking English of Kazakh people?
All Kazakh people, or?
Kazygur.
So it really depends. I've had a lovely experience here so far. I've been able to speak English with our students earlier this morning and with the teachers. So far we've had a really good experience.
And Sandra, a traditional question for you. What can you say about Kazygur?
Oh, I love Қазығұрт, but of course the most special thing here is the people. And I've met students here and teachers here, and I just see the level of enthusiasm. So yeah, so I think that even though English language ability varies according to how many years someone has been studying English, what I see as the same is the motivation and the energy and the enthusiasm. So
Thank you for interview.
thank you so much.